How to buy SHIB on Sol token. So this token came under the symbol of SHIB. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find in my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, this token is created under this X account. As you can see, they have a big community there. They released the SHIB token, the Leash, the Bond, the SHIB Oshish, yes, SHIB Oshish, and as you can see, the release mini token. So as you can see, this token is released in the January 27. As you can see, if you check this X post, you will be able to see that swap on bridge is live. So we are excited to announce that the latest release from our SHIB on Solana, paving the way for the multi-chain swap and bridge experience with an enhanced UA and improved successfully. So this token, you will be able to find it on the screener. It's available there, and it's created 21 hours ago and increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 90%. That's good. That's my investment in the safe place. This token is trending number 7. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token, it's under the Solana network. Open your fast money for that. Now click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token SHIB on Sol. Click on it. Here type how much you want to buy. Now here we'll be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. Now after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter. Make sure to read all of that information here. Click on swap and you will be able to redact it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issue, go back to this page, switch the slippage from here or customer, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy SHIB token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.